In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage. Following that, tap on one of your apps and pick one of the available options. In my case, Context Access for this app, Allow or Deny. When you're ready, go back. If you want to, you can also select any feature. Click on an app you wish to manage and select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then operate all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!